What's going on, guys? Eric from the Wisco Guys here, and in today's video we're going to be doing the cargo lamps on the Ford Ranger. So if you haven't watched the videos, definitely watch them. There's going to be a whole series on them. We're doing a full LED bulb change on the exterior of my Ford Ranger 2019 Ford Ranger. So here Auxito has sent me some bulbs to try out in the cargo lamps. So if you look here, we have the cargo lamp right up there. You open the door and they light up, but they're halogen. So they sent these out. These are a 912 bulb or 921 bulb. 912, 921. So we're gonna replace those halogen bulbs with LED with Auxito 912 bulbs. So the tool you're gonna need is going to be an 8mm socket. I would use a ratchet just because these third brake lights are sensitive. I'm going to use this because I can and I know what I'm doing, so that's what I'm doing, but use a ratchet. So we get up here and we're going to need this 7mm socket. I think I said 8mm before. No, it's 7mm. So we're going to pull these screws out. I'm going to put those on top of the roof there. I'm going to pull this one out. Fourth one here. So we have all four of those out. This should technically just pop out. And there we go. So we have both the outer bulbs here. We're going to change those, but we have our Auxito kit here. I'm going to open these up. Nice packaging, as always, from Auxito. So we're going to open that up. That's a very nice looking bulb. Now that we have this out, we're going to twist that. And we're going to pull that bulb out. And we're going to put this bulb in just like so, and we're going to twist that back in. We're going to do the other side same way. I'm leaving the middle bulb because that's just a brake light, and I have one of those like pulsing ones that another dealer put in. I don't know why it does like a three flash type of deal, so we got that out too. Three flash type deal. I don't know why, but we're gonna install these LEDs in there for the cargo. Okay, so now that we have those in, we're gonna make sure we want our alignment tabs back to where they go. There's two alignment tabs on each side, and you're gonna want to get those lined up. We're gonna put our screws back in. The 4 screws that we took out. I'm showing you very slow. Use a ratchet. Because you can crack this easy. So there we go. Got that done. There they are. Thank you for your purchase. They're on every platform you see there. So now that those are in, let's take a look. Oh yeah, geez, that's bright. Oh yeah. Let's get down. Yeah, that's much brighter. That's nice. That's really good. Oh, that is awesome. I'm gonna insert a clip from before, and then we'll jump back to this. So yeah, this is much brighter. So definitely check out the links below. Auxito, their website will be down below. Definitely check this out. I'll link this, a specific bulb, to the description below, and auxito.com. If you want to get this for yourself, definitely check out the discount code that I have, the Wisco guys, and it'll get you 12% off of your purchase of the bulbs that you buy off their website. So I'd like to thank you guys for watching. Definitely comment below if you have any questions, and then let me know how it went if you did get these bulbs, and definitely give this video a like if you liked it, and check out all the other Auxito lamps that we did as well too. So thanks guys for watching. Have a good night, day, evening, morning, summer, winter, whatever you're having. Thanks guys. Have a good night. Bye.